Back at Concetta's, the site of one of the best cooks in Cusano, and she has a secondary kitchen here. And she's telling me she's got some rice and mushrooms. So that's interesting. Oh, here's the mushrooms.
Yeah. Oh, she's gonna start?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, I didn't
Yeah.
know that was gonna happen.
She's waiting for you.
I should have been here sooner. I assume that's a butter. Yeah, that is. That's the word for it. Oh, wow. That's like...
That's like a double wide stick, right?
Yeah, but it's not as thick, so...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, looks like a couple there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Domenico! Come sta?
Bene, bene.
See
Yeah,
Domenico.
come on. the bag.
Ciao.
This is Concetta's husband, Domenico.
Nicola?
Dominique.
Okay.
Allora, ho fatto 15 giorni di vacanza.
Ah, look.
Yeah, risotto.
Ideal per, meaning ideal for risotti.
Great.
Io a girare.
Oh, they did behind they all look small. The olives look really...
Va bene, ma quello gira quello con...
Cosa?
Vino.
Vino!
Oh, we're gonna leave it.
That might be delicious.
Adesso brodo.
Yeah, so that's really,
Now that looks like vegetable stock there. Vedora?
Allora, brodo adesso vi faccio vedere.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Have you ever watched Hell's Kitchen? Like stresses on Gordon Ramsay's. The risotto has to be perfect.
Here's the fungi.
Sì, adesso nel secondo. Vanno presto e poi vanno a
Okay. Giuseppe will come down.
Today?
Yeah. It always smells like bread.
You have to add a little bit of vegetable stock from time to time as the rice absorbs the liquid. It's about 20 minutes from start to finish.
And he was saying, oh, and you're older?
No.
Oh, he's gotten older.
Yeah. Notice how the volume is increased.
Yeah.
You know, as that rice absorbs.
Dove ti devo accompagnare? No, non ti posso accompagnare. Perché se no si attacca il riso.
Just has to keep adding it.
Here. If only cameras could pick up the smell, right? Yes, so sure would be.
Now, what about,
We'll serve the risotto.
Oh yeah, vedi, una volta. Quindi no, stavo su YouTube. Sì, sì,
Sì, l'abbiamo visto, sì.
Yeah.
Okay.
For I don't know how many years, no wine. And this year he would like to
to try, okay.
try, but grapes are not too much. So he has to buy other grapes. And
È fino a ottobre.
No.
sì, ma
A fine
Era
ottobre.
fino a ottobre.
sì, dopo si chiude a fine ottobre.
Sì.
E dice era prima, quindi
When did they know the olives
rispetto
are
a quando
ready?
tu le
Was the
dovresti
question.
raccogliere. Come ti accorgi?
Normalmente le
Normally?
si raccolgono a novembre.
Però siccome io
Normally in
devo
November.
andare a raccogliere da un altro, abbiamo raccolto prima le nostre.
Ma erano pronte comunque?
Sì.
E come ti accorgi che sono pronte? Lui dice c'entra la luna, cosa?
No, iniziano a diventare nere.
Ok.
Devono diventare nere.
Troppo nero, no?
Non devono diventare nere.
No, quando iniziano, qualcuno che inizia a diventare nere si raccolgono.
Okay. She said that last year they start before because then in November she had to go to work in another place to take grapes. Sorry, not grapes, olives.
Okay.
But he said that in October, at the end of October, olives were ready, because you have to see if the olives start to become black, because they can't are black. So if you see a little bit of black on olives, you can take.
Ok.
Sono 3 mesi, anche di più.
No.
You,
I got a question. Maybe you remember.
Okay.
In March,
Yeah.
when Bonnie, Roger, and I were here. It may have been Concetta. I thought maybe it was Maria Candiello, but it must have been Concetta said that 15 days before Jeff and I arrived in 2018,
Okay.
the family was talking about the Americans.
Ok.
Was that Concetta that was talking about
Ok. Ha detto gli americani? Tu l'hai
Io
detto?
sì, con Giacomo e Maria.
Ok. E che avete detto?
No, siccome lei, Irene, guardavano su internet se potevano rintracciare qualcuno, però...
Ma come mai così? Proprio così nel 2018?
Ma noi...
All times they speaks about American family. And also in 2018, before you come here, they spoke about this American family, and she said, I don't know why.
Perché cercavamo Creta alla fine.
Yeah, I don't know why she and Irene saw on internet Creta, family, Creta, America, but you are Brit. Not you, but not Brit.
some olives, tomato, mozzarella. It has the 3 colors of the Italian flag.
They buy this.
Vieni Daria?
Sì.
And some prosciutto.
Grazie, il pane? No, sta qua comunque.
Prosciutto.
Ma io mi piace tantissimo.
We have some
Zucchero,
espresso
zucchero no? Io sì.
without any sugar, except he has sugar. And the issue right now is the grappa or no grappa.
You sure? You better be careful.